So this parquet floor belonged to Trish in Thornaby in Teesside. She'd emptied the room, she was getting it decorated and wanted her floor refreshing, so gave us a call. Little important announcement: if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, I'd be so grateful. Anyway, back on with the job. So we took the flexi sand to the floor and went through all of the grit process to take off the old coating. Came off quite easily, but the floor did need levelling out, so we ended up using the belt sander. This is me blending in the edges using the Bonner Combi Edge, and then it was more edging around the room, blending in the edges and the corners to the same grit as the Bonner Flexi Sand. So you can really see it starting to take shape now. This is probably on about an 80 grit and it's smoothing it out lovely, just fine sanding, almost buffing the floor to make it nice and smooth, nice and level in preparation for the finish. So in terms of finish, we agreed a matte coated clear lacquer, and as always we put 3 coats down. This is me just applying the first coat, which is always the easiest coat because you can see where you're going. I go obviously across the room and along the room just to make sure that I've got a nice even coverage and make it all level before putting the dryer on it and getting it all nice and dried. So this is after 2 coats. Look at that finish, it's really starting to take shape, looking nice and protected, nice and even, warmer. The room feels gorgeous, looks gorgeous. It's all been filled in as well, by the way, because it hadn't been filled, so we wanted to make sure that there was no gaps and no wobbles. So yeah, this is the final result. Customer Trish was so happy, and here she is, meet the star of the show. Thanks for the work, Trish, and see you again soon.